Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So, Walgreens, we're going to do something a little different today where we are actually going to do, I call it a $5 challenge, but we're going to do 3 transactions, very little out-of-pocket rolling deals of the week. You're not going to have a huge, out of pocket, but you're going to get some items, pretty much for free after everything is said and done. And then we're going to tap into Dollar General. There's a very large frozen food penny list, and then the calendars. I'm going to show you a couple that I found. So what this $5 challenge is, it's just rolling deals from one to the other for a much lesser out-of-pocket, because I know that sometimes these larger boosters, the out-of-pockets are way too large. So we're just looking at it in a different way. So this is no booster deals. You have to do it in store, and you have to do 3 separate transactions. So if your store is super strict, you might have to break this up into a couple of days. Figure it out. So the first deal that we're going to do is with the Dove shampoo that is on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. We have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2, a very generous coupon. You have right up until Saturday the 18th to do these deals as well. So transaction 1, you're grabbing 2 of those shampoos for $7.48. Subtracting your digital coupon, you'll pay $2.48 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making this transaction free and a $2.51 moneymaker. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you might have some to get a lesser out of pocket. Now from transaction 1, we're going to roll it into this transaction, which is the 2 whole blends. Get the cashier to scan both bottles of shampoo if you're grabbing 2 identicals. Sometimes they scan one and then key in the second one. Get the cashier, ask very nicely, can you scan everything in the transaction? You want to roll the register reward from Dove into this transaction, and you need many lines to pick up that register reward. So we're going to load this digital coupon as well, and this will only account for 1 line. So the second bottle, the register reward will attach to that. We're also grabbing 2 of these $3 brushes. And the promotion for this is to buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. But we have this digital coupon as well, which is a 3 off of 2. So transaction 2, this is fantastic. We are grabbing 2 of the whole blends, 2 of the Oral-B's, for a total of $14, subtracting $6 in digitals that I just showed you in the slides previous, and the Dove register reward, also scan it. You're going to pay $3 or roll $3 in Walgreens cash if you may have it. And then you're getting back 2 more register rewards, which equals to $7, a 4 for the Garnier and a 3 for the Crest, making this free and a $4 moneymaker. And again, that $3 out of pocket, your balance, if you wish to roll $3 in Walgreens cash, go for it. In the final transaction, we're going to grab 1 paper towel and 1 toilet paper by Scott. I'm always trying to bulk up on paper products. This is one item everybody wants from me, so this is one item I always try to stock up on. We're going to load the following, which is the IVC coupon, the Walgreens coupon, $1.25 off of each. Plus we have manufacturers, that's $1 off for the paper towel and $1 off for the toilet paper. So that's $2 off, not too shabby. Now I want to roll my register rewards from transaction 1 into this transaction. So I need more items in the basket. So I'm going to grab this guy for $1.99. It's a 4-pack of the Walgreens brand toilet paper. So transaction number 3, we have $10 in Scott, and then 1 of the Walgreens toilet papers for $1.99 for a total of $11.99. $4.50 that include the IVC and the manufacturers are melting off for me. Plus I have the 2 register rewards, $7 melting off for me. So I'm going to pay 49 cents and call these 3 transactions brilliant. Now, while you're still in this store, I really recommend to walk down that baby aisle. If you have a little one at home or you're looking for something for a baby shower, lots of wipes and diapers on clearance. And if I'm showing you something in the last couple videos that I've published and you're like, I would like those too. You need to ask for a price check. Just because it's on clearance here in Michigan, it might be full price in Maine or Tennessee, but it also might be in clearance in Texas. So please ask for price checks with the Fetch Rewards. These Easy Up PJ Masks are a moneymaker, and then with the $1.50 Shop Miam rebate, this is a free item with the new leaf. You got to ask for a price check. It may or may not be on clearance if it's not tagged. Okay, so now we're at the Dollar General, and this was a really exciting penny list that was released on Monday the 13th. Lots of the frozen food had reset. It was only selected frozen food, and I only found one pizza. So in the app with this barcode, if you see 0.00, it means that the food has pennied out at your specific store. And you'll bring it to the front and it should ring up for a penny. At my store, it was an updated store, and basically the cashier scanned it for me and it rang up for like $8.95. But when the cashier hit the pay button, it was a penny. Be mindful of that. Now, this penny list with the food is exceptionally confusing because it's only selected stores on Mondays that it'll penny out. So it was only a handful this go around. Next Monday, which will be the 20th, another group of stores will penny out. So if you're scanning some of these barcodes or punching in these numbers into the app and you're like, hey, it's full price here, this is all nonsense. It is nonsense until the Monday following it might penny out. And you just kind of have to really have a feel for it. Bargain Busters posted all of this on the weekend. Go and check out her Instagram. I will link it in the notes. She really goes through this because this is more confusing penny shopping, but totally worth it because it's food. Because it's food, it all might be gone at your store. I was only able to find a pizza, but I'll definitely be looking for more on the 20th, which is next Monday. And all these will penny out on a Monday, not a Tuesday for the frozen food. Lots of people were reporting that the frozen food had in fact expired, so definitely look at the list. They can refuse the sale if it's like really expired. Jess's information is linked in the notes, or Bargain Buster. Okay, so on Tuesday the 14th, all of these little cutesy calendars pennied out. One store that I had been in and out of a lot for the clearance event, I noticed on the side when you walk into the store, they had a bunch on a display, and that's where I found like I think 30 this morning. They were all there. So don't be shy to open up that app, scan these barcodes, what your store may or may not have. Some of these are anywhere from $5 journals to the dollar little like books for, addresses and so on and so forth. Really cute stuff. There's still half a year left, so I know a lot of you would probably be like, this is garbage, but stationery excites me. I don't know why. Are you guys the same way? Maybe let me know in the comments down below. But like stickers and this sort of stuff, that is my thing. Like I'm a real stationery girly. And these little address books I think are really, really cute. It's a 2-year planner, so it's good for a year and a half. So hopefully, I know my mom will probably enjoy one of these. But yeah, you just stay super organized with a million planners. Another thing that hit 90% is a lot of the winter hardware. Um, and there was only one item that was 90% off, and I'm like, yeah, I absolutely need it. It's this cute little lady's hat. I think next winter my mom will look absolutely adorable in it, so I bought it for her. It's perfect, and it's a little gray dot. 90% off. It's called a lady's hat textured knit. Shout out to the Geeky Banana Saves. She actually showed this exact hat in her video, and I'm like, I need one of those, so I paid 50 cents for this. Okay, last thing we're going to talk about before I take off is Rite Aid, everybody's favorite. The ad this week, not so great. The ad apparently next week is also not so great. I can't really put together a deal, so I'm not going to just go and shop because I want to shop. The couple dollars that I have left on both of my cards, I might just spend it. I am a huge Reddit person. I love reading Reddit employee boards, and lots of Rite Aids are closing down, and they predict that in June more will be closing down. So a death by 1,000 cuts. That ad has been disgraceful. There really hasn't been like a spend 30, get back 10 on P&G products. Lots of weird inconsistencies, so I am not shopping there. If you're a heavy Rite Aid shopper, let me know in the comments down below what you've been doing, because I just feel like it hasn't been there in a while. and I'm kind of scared that how many stores are they going to close next June? According to Reddit, it's going to be a lot. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.